Journaling is a proven method of regulating your emotions by observing how your thoughts affect your daily life. And you start by identifying the thoughts that you are thinking. Are they anxious thoughts? Are they thoughts of depression? Or are they fearful thoughts? And once you identify that, then as you write things down, you'll be able to know this is what is affecting me. And in this video, we are going to cover 4 tips that are going to help you as a beginner to start knowing how to journal. Journaling can be a stress relieving tool for the beginners who are finding ways to reduce their stress. How, you ask? For example, there is this thought that has been, or something happened in your life, and you have been thinking this thought over and over again, maybe for the last 1 year, 2 years, some 10 years, and some maybe even 20 good years. You have been thinking of the same thing over and over again, and maybe this thing is even affecting you physically. The moment you start writing it down, you bring the awareness of this is what I've been thinking, and this is what has been affecting me. The first tip is gratitude, and you have to identify at least 5 or even 10. They are not many. So you identify what things are you grateful for in your life, or what situations, or even people. Maybe it's your mother who has been your biggest support, or even your biggest lesson, because people are here for lessons or for reasons. So write those things down, or the reasons you are grateful for those people. Write them down and be intentional about it, and feel the gratitude in your body, and feel that feeling of, I'm grateful to have this person in my life, or I'm grateful to have maybe a house, or maybe a family. Many things that you have in your life. There are so many things that you are grateful for, but it's up to you to choose what is it that you are really feeling that this one I'm really grateful for. Or maybe you have been married for some time, and it has taken years for you to get pregnant, and now you are pregnant, or even you already have a baby. To you, that is something to be grateful for. So write it down, and then after you are done writing it down, read it through and feel that gratitude in your body. The second tip is self-reflection, and I want you to do this. You reflect on your achievement, the latest achievement that you have had lately. Maybe you've become a new mother, and you're learning how to breastfeed, and you and your baby are adapting well in this world, but you have had some challenges, but at the same time you have been able to overcome them, maybe through learning, or maybe just applying some tricks that you have taught yourself. Reflect on that, and acknowledge and appreciate yourself for wanting to be a better mother. Or maybe you have ventured in a new career, and you're doing your best to learn the new skill, everything that concerns that new career, and you are putting all the effort to make sure that you are one of the best in those fields. Acknowledge that and appreciate yourself for the effort that you have put, and you're still putting, to be a better person. So reflect on the achievements that you have lately made. Maybe you have graduated from campus or from high school, and now you are venturing onto your next phase in your life. That is an achievement that you're supposed to praise yourself and acknowledge yourself that, yes, I've done this, and it is through my actions and my effort and my willingness to do this that I'm here right now. So acknowledge all those efforts, be it the big ones or the small ones. Acknowledge all of them. And once you write them down, read through them and realize how you are going to realize how much I've been doing, even though it's just this year, it's just the starting of February as I'm making this video. Maybe I've done a lot to change the last 1 month of this year, January of 2025. So acknowledge that. The next and the third tip is asking yourself this question, and you write it down. Where is my focus? Maybe if you are stressed about your career, ask yourself, where is my focus when it comes to your career? Maybe it is your family, you have issues, or your marriage. Ask yourself, where is my focus concerning marriage? Or maybe it is your education that is not going well. You are not doing well as you want to do. Ask yourself, where is my focus concerning my education or concerning the subjects that I'm doing and that I'm not doing well and I want to do better. The reason I'm telling you to ask yourself this question, where is my focus? Because many people in life, and also this is how our brains are rewired, to focus on the negative. I want you today to remember that, yes, we might experience failures and the negative feedbacks, but failure is just a feedback. It is to tell you to redirect whatever it is that you're doing and now do something else differently. That is what failure means. It doesn't define you as a person and define you that because your marriage is not doing okay or because your career is not doing okay, you are a failure. It just gives you feedback that whatever you are doing is not working and you should now go to the next direction and try that direction which will work. And if it does not work, it is another feedback telling you, get another solution to be able to clear whatever issue that you have in your life. And once you write these things down and reflect on them, you are going to realize, okay, whatever it is that was stressing me so much, or to you it looked like a mountain, you will now start realizing that it is not as big as I thought. The final one is a question that I need you also to ask yourself and write it down. The question is, what am I willing to change right now? No matter how small that change is, when you apply small changes every day, they compound to make a different lifestyle for you. So maybe you are depressed, you never get out of the house, or you never even get out to talk to people. You are just in your house alone, or if you have a spouse, he goes to work, comes back, and attends everything to you. This is something that I want you to do and be serious about it. You can say, today I'm just willing to change from sleeping to just going outside and get a breath of fresh air, maybe for 1 minute or 5 minutes. Then the next day you can increase it to 7 minutes, then the next day to 10 minutes. Or maybe you are in a career where your efforts are not being appreciated. How can you now change or make a change where your efforts are being appreciated to you getting a promotion? Maybe as while still you are working on that career, you can start a side hustle that can make you more money, and maybe you can even start now knowing how to build your business from there. While you are working, you can start your side hustle part-time and you are working full-time, and maybe with time it might peak, you get more clients, you get more customers, and you quit your job. And so ask yourself right now, in the situation that you are in, be it maybe you are addicted to junk and you are overweight, ask yourself, what change can I make right now after you are done watching this video? Maybe you can say, today, once I order my chicken and chips, I can also order some salad, and at least I eat 3/4 of that salad And instead of taking soda, maybe I can order fruits where I can blend that juice and take something healthy. Maybe the next step, instead of ordering that food, you can ask somebody to come and help you prepare something healthy and all that. So let it start now. And if you're one of those people who are like, I can't do this, I don't know where to start, we are here to help you. Just comment help, and we are going to get back to you to know how we can work together to get you out of that situation that you think it is impossible. With our tools, it is possible for you to get out of that situation. And also, please tell me in the comments which is the first step that you are going to apply to start alleviating your stress or reducing your stress in life. And please don't forget to subscribe in my channel and look and get more information, because I have more videos about rewiring your brain, changing your mind. So check them all out.